Welcome back. In this video, we're going to take a look at downloading your 3D modeling software. We're going to use an open source software called Blender. It's been around for ages, totally free. You'll see you can get it here at the page blender.org. And when you get there, you're going to see that there's a download tab here. So you can hit the download tab and you can download it for whichever system that you need to grab it for. You'll see here's the Windows installer here, and here you have all your other versions depending what you need. Now this is version 5.12. This will work well if your computers, within the last couple years should have no problems. But if you do install this and you realize that for some reason it's just not doing what it's supposed to be doing, what you see in my videos, then it might be that your computer's not good enough for it. And so what you have to do is you have to download an older version. And so I'll just show you here. When you're on this download, you have the previous versions tab as well. So if I go to previous versions, you'll see here download any Blender. So I'm going to click this here. And you see it gives you the list. This is going back. You can see like it's going back pretty far, 2003, right, for Blender 1. But the version that we're downloading is way up here at 5. I'd recommend that you go back to like 4.1. We're at 5.1 right now. You can go back to 4.1. That doesn't work, try 3.1. And if that doesn't work, guaranteed. Okay, 2.8 is what I used to use with the kids quite a few years ago, like 7, 8 years ago. So this one here is going to work fine too. I don't think you're going to have to go back any farther. For what we're using the program for, really the only difference is going to be the newer versions will work smoother and the menu interface looks slightly different. They've put buttons in different places, but they're all going to work and you'll be okay no matter what you get installed. So get that installed and there you go. We'll see you in the next video.